Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Guy, a driver in the transport department of Netafim Israel. I deliver your equipment. Until recently, I've been carrying piles of documents, having them signed manually and scanning and logging them into the system one by one. It's been quite a long and exhausting process. We at Netafim Israel believe in innovation and efficiency, which is why we've improved that process. Now we will have more time to invest in you, our customers. I now carry a tablet and the entire process is quick and digital. My driving route is predetermined and the customers receive a text message informing them of my estimated arrival time according to a navigation app. Instead of using paper, the customer signs a digital packing list. Everything is updated on Netafim's online system, including photos and documents. Easy and simple. And of course, less paper means more trees. Netafim Israel is looking to the future, to be more technological, more service-oriented, and much more friendly to the environment. We stand hand in hand with you, our customers, so you can grow more with less.